Hello, my name is Richard Reed. I'm the technology consultant for MassDOT. I work for Microdesk as a customer success engineer. And I'm going to go through this MassDOT CAD standard presentation that we provided at the MALC, Massachusetts Association of Land Surveyors and Civil Engineers annual convention held on Friday, September 23rd, 2011. Now, as in support, our panel included Mike Chenard, John Anthony, and Evanson Brown from the MassDOT Layout and Survey Office. Now, the upcoming upgrade to 2012 and soon to be published CAD standard brought up a lot of different questions. How does it affect my work? Upgrades, changes that might have been done, how can I do more work, as well as can I get a copy? And what is usually on the topic of most, how am I going to pay for this upgrade? Now, just released this past week, January 1st, 2012, MassDOT will require all new projects be provided in AutoCAD Civil 3D only. However, the qualifier is we are going to support all releases. What does this really mean? Ultimately, we were planning on trying to create an efficient and cohesive transportation division. Ultimately, our goal to continue to lead the nation in transportation excellence. This included all districts, project managers, designers, surveyors, and sub-consultants. How does this affect my current work? Existing projects, we emphasize review your contracts. Submission requirements will change. However, we are asking that DWG, DWF, PDF file types be provided. Software will not change, but we certainly are recommending that you do consider upgrading. And the CAD standard will support 2007 and above. Do I have to upgrade to Civil 3D 2012? No, however, you must be in 2007 or above, any release up through and including 2012. The CAD standard will support those releases, as well as any improvements will only be contained in the 2012 version. We are planning on increasing the capabilities of this standard. It will not be ported back to prior versions. What changes have been done? We certainly have added layers naming, file format types, and it does include all sections, bridge through landscape to design. We also have included field survey guidelines. We've included the expansion of bridge, streams, and railroads within the field survey and base plan requirements. How can I do more work? Easiest question in the world, get pre-qualified. There are certain characteristics required, and ultimately the link on the screen here, you can actually check out and get pre-qualified. And also legislation that actually requires the use of pre-qualified contractors occurred back in November 2010. The entire CAD standard will include the following. However, preliminary copies can be made available by request simply by emailing Carol Donovan, as you notice on the screen here. And funding available, certainly there are grants and Chapter 90 monies which are actually available to help in this endeavor. Ultimately, engineering services and expenses, survey equipment, simply an application process can help you get this upgrade and certain help during this time. Now, ultimately, the Labor and Workforce Development, located here in Massachusetts, also has general programs, express programs, and hiring incentive programs to help you get that training, both for new employees and existing employees. So a recap, ultimately we've shown how's it going to affect your current work, your upgrade to Civil 3D, what changes have been done, and how can I do more work. As well as, can I get a copy, and how am I going to pay for this? Hopefully these items have addressed some fears and perhaps removed any obstacles that you may have had in order to help you do more work, get more work, and most importantly, move into most exciting software that's come along quite some time, AutoCAD Civil 3D. Thank you, and I look forward to talking to you soon.